Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been gone for quite some time. It's been a long minute too since I did a makeup tutorial, and this is something different than what I have been doing. Like most times I do neutral looks or like a cut crease or something, but this is a really soft, I guess soft glam. Yeah, that's on trend. This is a soft glam, just super fun look. I love it. It's like a bluish brown. You see what it is. A little glitter. And it's so cute. If you are new here, I am Amber of The Amber Appeal, Amber Drenay, all of that. Okay? Amber, hey girl. It's me. So if you want to see how I got this look, please continue watching. Also, click the subscribe button because you like what you see, and it's gonna be a lot more of this. So click the subscribe button, like this video if you do like this look, and comment down below and interact with your girl. Okay, anyways, on to the video. Okay, so we're gonna kick this thing off. We are starting off by priming our eyes with the P. Louise base in Rumor 2. So we are just packing that onto our eyelids, and then we are gonna blend it out until it's seamlessly blended. So then we're gonna go into this Juvia's Place palette, and I am just going to press that into the crease of my eye. I don't want to swipe it yet because it's gonna build up the color payoff, so just press that color into your eyelids, and then once it's to your liking, then you can do the swiping motion to blend it. Okay, and so we're going to do that with the next color as well. I'm just going to keep packing colors into that crease until it's nice and blended. I was just going for a really warm tone brown look. Nothing too dramatic because this is like a softer look. It's a soft glam look. And then once it got to my liking, I went in once more to deepen the crease. So now you see me going in with a deeper color, and you really get to see that definition come through. So now I'm going on to my lid with a fluffy just shader brush, and I'm packing that pretty blue onto my eye. So as you see, it's going on really softly. Oh my god. And I really wanted just a airy Christmas frosty look to be on the lid, right? So then I was like, it's not really giving me a lot of color payoff. So then I go in with my finger, and then that really picked up that color. And it's like a bluish brown tint, you know, kind of like those early 2000 vibes. And then I go back in with that same blending brush that I used prior to just blend out the edges of that lid and blend the color seamlessly. And then we're going to go in with eyeliner and go in once more with some pressed glitter. So I'm putting that glitter on and then popping on my lashes. I'm not going to keep y'all here all day because look, you got stuff to do and it's the middle of Vlogmas. So once you finish this video, if you haven't seen the actual Vlogmas intro on the actual Vlogmas video, you should go watch it. But right now I'm priming my face, and we are just making sure that that is deep into our pores. Taking some MAC BB cream. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. In the wintertime, I don't want to wear super heavy products because, again, quarantine, we're not going anywhere. So just put on something light. This worked out perfectly. Those two are my favorite duo concealers. The Born This Way concealer, unmatched, okay? So I go in with the darker color first, and then I'm going to go with my contour stick. That's Black Radiance, and we are just going to contour all of the areas of my face that need some shadowing, because baby, we are going to build bone structure, okay? If it's not naturally given, we're going to make it happen with a little makeup. So I'm going in with my brush, as you can see, and without putting that product directly onto my face for my nose, I take that little small brush and, okay, I put it directly on my face for the tip, but for the bridge of my nose, I'm using the brush, and I am going to put it on there that way. It's spray it with a little Fix Plus to make sure that product is loose and able for me to blend it together. And then I'm going in with a beauty blender. It's the black one, and I am just blending out that product seamlessly into my skin. So once it's all blended, I go in with my Fenty concealer to just put a little dimension up under the contour, and you can really see my bone structure pop. Girl, you see, I told you we was building bone structure. Them cheeks, look at them cheeks. You see it. And just blend it, girl. Go back over it with that same beauty blender. No extra product, just blend it out. So now that the base is done, I'm going to go with my highlighting concealer, which is the lighter of those two Too Faced concealers. And I am taking my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. I'll tell you about this in every single video. If you have not bought it yet, you sleep, okay? So I'm taking that lighter concealer, and I blended it out underneath my eyes with that brush. And then I'm going along with that same brush on the bridge of my nose and up into my forehead, make sure that I keep that concealer directly in the center of my nose to just highlight and accentuate that area, and it's gonna pop. And then I go back over with that same brush that I used the first time on my nose. No extra product, whatever is left, to blend those two colors together. Back over it with the beauty blender to just smooth out all of the edges. This is not hard, y'all. I promise y'all. This look took me like 40 minutes, okay? So then I'm going in with my Topaz powder, and I'm just pressing it in with that same beauty blender. We use multiple products on one sponge because ain't nobody got time to clean brushes. I just pressed that into my skin. Then I went on top with my MAC Pro Filter powder in the color NC47. And I just pressed that into my skin, and I'm going to go in with this contour, okay? Just bronze up the skin, girl. Add that depth. We highlighted. We're contouring. We're setting our contour with this contour powder. And then I go on top with my Laura Mercier A translucent powder to bake. Okay, it's just gonna sit there, and she's gonna bake all over my under eye. Did y'all see my eyelash hanging though? It's okay. We're gonna fix it. But yeah, so I'm just pressing this powder into my skin. That translucent powder is just going into my skin. I'm pressing it. Then I go in with the deep translucent powder, right? And that's where I'm going underneath where I contoured and I place that Fenty concealer. I'm setting the rest of my face with the darker color translucent powder for Laura Mercier. I do a little jig because when I'm happy, I jig, okay? So, yeah, I took that powder because it's skin toned. Then I'm going in with a flesh tone nudie eyeliner, and my eyes water, as everybody does when you put the eyeliner on. So I just went on with that eyeliner in blue. And then I'm taking the blue eyeliner to help pop my under eye and bring out that blue that's on my lid. And then I go in with Feline by MAC to outline just the outer parts of my eye. And then I'm taking the same blue that's on my lid, and I'm going to go and just place that product on my eye and then smudging it out with the brown that's in my crease. We just going to use the same colors that we use at the top at the bottom. So once I feel like that is blown out to my liking, I'm going to take my MAC Skin Finish in the color dark, and I'm going to dust away all that highlighting powder. And it just makes the flawless application ever. Look at it. It's so pretty. So then we do a little blush because makeup is not complete without a little blush. And yeah, that's the vibe we have. Then I was like, okay, you ODing brush, you did too much. So then I had to go on top with my Skin Finish in the color dark deepest, okay? I'm sorry. So then I just blew that out, and I was like, oh girl, this is cute, but it wasn't complete yet, so I had to do a little inner corner highlight. So I'm using my Saharan palette from Juvia's Place, and I like that little icy color in it, and it just completed this look. Oh my gosh. So then I was super happy, and I really had to do a little dance because girl, look at this. So yeah, girl, we do a little jig, and I was like, let's do a little pop on the lash line on the bottom. So I'm priming it with my Kush lash primer. Then I'm going in with my Fenty eye mascara on the bottom because it really made it pop. And then I was like, oh, I'm a savage. Oh yeah, you see it, those dance moves. Okay, so then I'm taking chestnut. Of course I'm taking chestnut. What brown girl does not use chestnut? So I'm using chestnut, and I am lining my lips. So I was trying to go for an overline look, but girl, my Cupid's bow just was hating on me, and it did not want to give me that Goofy movie lips look, okay? But then I go in my Tarte's liquid lip, and this color is so cute. This combo is cute. Should I leave this lip matte or put lip gloss on?
Me, I like a lip gloss.
Okay, so then I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a lip gloss, see how this look, and it was cute. I did another jig because I was feeling myself. Like, girl, this is so cute. Oh, I feel so pretty. I ain't felt pretty in a long time. Oh, this is a look. Girl, stop playing with me. Alright, friends, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love this look. Also, I'm not taking off my robe because it's like midnight and I'm going straight to bed, and it matched the look. So we just gonna do this in the robe, okay? Quarantine, where am I going? So yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this look. If you happen to recreate the look, then please tag me on Instagram at theamberappeal. Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe after watching this video. If you loved it, comment down below what your favorite part was, what's some new products that you've been trying in quarantine. And yeah, like I said, thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys on my next upload. Ring, 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 ring.